Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be talking about the summer essentials. In summers we get really sweaty, we get really oily, so I am going to show you some products that are going to help you in this summer. So I hope you guys would like this video, and without further ado, let's get to the video. The first product that I think is really important in this summer is the face wash. So for my skin I use the Clean and Clear face wash in summers. It is really a nice product for gently cleaning out the dirt from your skin. It doesn't dry out your skin that much and leaves your skin really fresh and clear. So yeah, first is face wash. Another product that I can suggest for a quick face wash is facial wipes. They comes in really handy. You just have to wet them under a tap water and then rub and apply on your face. They are really hygienic. It is kind of use and throw, so you don't have to store them. I love this for my trial purpose when I am going outside on a day trip or out of station. This is the thing I carry. Also you can take it in your college or office bag. You don't take up the space in your bag or purse, so this is really a good product. After face wash, moisturizer is really important. I know it can be sweaty or oily, but that is not an excuse for not applying moisturizer. Choose a moisturizer which is lightweight or which has non-greasy effect. Here I use Pond's. You have seen me use so many times under the makeup base also. This cream is really lightweight and it has a vitamin E and glycerin, and it also says that non-oily fresh feel. So this is really a good buy if you don't like a greasy effect.
Nobody likes that if you
So this is a good product if you wanna buy a moisturizer that is non-oily or doesn't feel heavy on your skin. And now the most important thing for summer, sunscreen. Never step out of your house without applying a sunblock or a sunscreen gel. It is really hot outside, so you need a sunscreen for protecting your skin from UV ray. And I use this VLCC one for my body, and for my face I use the Photostable sunscreen, which you guys have seen me using in my earlier videos also. So I use two sunscreens, like for my face I use different one and for my body I use different one. But for this sunscreen, this is a D10 sunscreen gel cream. It is in a gel form, so it is not going to be greasy again. In summers you don't want a greasy feeling on your body or your face, so this is not greasy. This is really a gel consistency and not a heavy feeling cream. So, and it also is SPF 50 and also protects your skin from UVA UVB rays. It says that fakes tan even out your skin tone and enhances glow. So frankly I don't get into the things like even out fades or even out skin tones. No, for sunscreen it should be protecting me from the sun, that's all. And I'll also link the products down in the description box, so in case you wanna purchase anything or you wanna check out anything, you can. So definitely check my description box. So for the next product, wet wipes. This is not particularly any brand wet wipe, but what I'm trying to say is have a wet wipe, because everybody is not traveling by car. In the summer if you're traveling by transport like buses, tend to get really sweaty, hot. So you need something to freshen you up, to clean your face, and every time there is no water available around you, right? So what you can do is you just take a wet wipe and clean your face. It's really handy, it's really comfortable. Just go with the wet wipe that are not irritating to your skin. I would suggest Himalaya ones. They are really nice and comfortable on your skin. And the best buy is Baby products. Baby products are really mild and they have a cute non-irritating smell also. If you are a person who gets irritated by smell like me, so baby wipes are best. If your skin is sensitive, baby wipes won't irritate you. See that with which product your skin is comfortable and buy it. And also if you don't like wipes to rub your face, so what you can do is you just can take a face mist like Kama Ayurveda's Gulab Jal one or Innisfree face mist. That can help you to keep your face hydrated and fresh. So yeah, if you're not a wet wipe person, you can always have another option, and just keep yourself hydrated in this summer. Drink a lot of water. So the next product in summer essential is deodorant. Smelling good is really important, and I don't think I need to explain it to you why. So let's not get there. I use this Dove stick bar. This is a Go Fresh in cucumber and green tea scent. Now this is a bar like this. It is in hard form. It doesn't actually leaves your armpits greasy. It's just a powder form, and you just have to apply in your armpits. So for summers, these are really good. I know people using the synthol ones and the Rexona ones, they are also good, but for summer especially, I prefer this. And if not this, I'll prefer the deodorants like Nivea. And for Nivea, I can definitely tell that it doesn't irritate the skin. It is really mild on your skin, and it leaves a fresh smell. For summers, I'll go for the Dove ones or the Nivea ones. They both are extremely good and they does their job. So yay. So next is a perfume. I am a kind of a person that cannot go outside the house without a perfume. I cannot handle smelling myself bad. I always apply a perfume. Occasion doesn't matter. I have to smell good. That's the motto. I generally use body mist. I don't go for the harsh perfumes because that irritates my head. I get headaches easily, so the perfume smell should be very mild or something like that, so that doesn't hurt my head. Right now I love this one. This is from Bath and Body Works, Into the Night. I love to do this. So particularly have a body mist. If you don't want a body mist or a product like this and you want a travel size, you can go with this kind of perfumes. They are so tiny and they cost like 60 bucks. Really amazing, 60 bucks, and they last really long. I mean, yeah. If you are not into mists or you want a perfume that is travel friendly, this is the thing. So yeah, that's it for the video, you guys. I hope you guys like this video and find it helpful. I tried to keep it minimal, and I thought that those products are really affordable as well as really necessary for this summer. So I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Mwah.